What if I told you Microsoft PowerPoint just got destroyed? Because now, you can create an entire professional presentation in seconds, with nothing more than a single prompt. No design skills. No wasted hours dragging text boxes around. Just type your idea and watch AI do the rest. Here's how it works, and honestly, it's ridiculously simple. Step 1. Upload your document or just type a topic. You could enter something like AI trends in 2025, or even upload a PDF, a Word doc, or paste in a website URL. Step 2. The AI instantly generates a structured outline and complete slides for you, designed, formatted, and ready to present. Step 3. Make edits, adjust the style, and export to whatever format you need. From idea to polished deck in under 60 seconds. But here's where it gets even crazier. This isn't just basic slides. The AI comes with over 200,000 templates to choose from: minimalist, corporate, fun, creative, you name it. It even generates images for you, so your slides don't just look like slides. They look like something a professional design team built. And it supports all the input options you could dream of. You can feed it text prompts, PDFs, Word files, Google Docs, Excel spreadsheets, or even website URLs. Imagine dropping in a web page and watching it turn into a ready-to-go presentation. When it comes time to share, the tool makes exporting painless. You can download as a PowerPoint file, open in Google Slides, or just share a one-click link. Real-time collaboration is built in, so your teammates can edit with you anywhere, anytime. Think about that. An app that not only builds your deck from scratch, but also saves you hours on design, formatting, and QA. What used to take half a day in PowerPoint now takes less than a minute. To put it simply, this tool doesn't just compete with PowerPoint. It makes PowerPoint feel like ancient history. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit like, share this with someone who spends way too long making slides, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest AI tools that save you time and unlock